In today's automotive landscape, safety is a paramount concern for consumers, and manufacturers are rising to the challenge with advanced engineering and innovative technologies. In this script, we will explore the top 5 safest cars in the world, highlighting their standout features and the reasons behind their exceptional safety ratings. Starting with the Volvo XC90, this luxury SUV has long been synonymous with safety, boasting an impressive array of features such as a robust structure, advanced driver assistance systems, and a comprehensive airbag system that includes side impact airbags for all 3 rows of seats. The XC90's automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist ensure that drivers are not only protected in the event of a collision, but are also assisted in avoiding potential accidents altogether. Next on our list is the Tesla Model 3, which has garnered attention not only for its electric performance, but also for its outstanding safety ratings. With a low center of gravity thanks to its battery placement, the Model 3 is less likely to roll over in a crash. Its autopilot system includes features like adaptive cruise control and lane centering, which enhance safety on the road. Additionally, Tesla's over-the-air software updates continuously improve its safety features, making it a top contender in the realm of automotive safety. Coming in third, we have the Subaru Outback, a vehicle that excels in both utility and safety. Known for its all-wheel drive capabilities, the Outback is equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides enhanced stability and control in various driving conditions, making it a reliable choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The fourth vehicle on our list is the Mercedes-Benz EClass, a luxury sedan that combines elegance with top-tier safety technology. The EClass features a suite of safety systems, including active brake assist, which can detect potential collisions and apply the brakes if necessary, and the Car-to-X communication system, allowing vehicles to exchange safety information. Additionally, its robust frame and multiple airbags protect occupants in the event of an accident, while its numerous driving assistance features help prevent accidents before they happen. Finally, we cannot overlook the Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that strikes a perfect balance between affordability and safety. The Accord comes equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features that includes collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation. Its high crash test ratings and spacious interior make it an ideal family vehicle. The Accord also emphasizes visibility and driving comfort, further enhancing its appeal as a safe choice for everyday driving. As we reflect on these 5 vehicles, it is clear that manufacturers are prioritizing safety through innovative technologies and designs. From luxury SUVs like the Volvo XC90 to practical sedans like the Honda Accord, consumers have access to a range of options that prioritize not only their well-being, but also that of their passengers. Ultimately, the top 5 safest cars in the world represent a commitment to creating vehicles that not only perform well, but also protect lives, offering peace of mind for drivers and their families. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more improvements in automotive safety, paving the way for a future where driving can be even more secure and enjoyable. Please like, share, and subscribe.